Okay, Sarah and I are here on this glorious October afternoon. Is it afternoon?
It's afternoon.
Barely. And we're at Black Rock Nature Preserve. It's Niches Land Trust property, and Niches is a local land trust organization. They are a nonprofit, and they do land restoration and land stewardship and other such type of work, public outreach, public education. They're just a great organization, and I love their properties. So we're here today at this glorious one, Sarah and I. And Black Rock's this neat little property, and it has historical significance, of which I'll talk about in the description. But also the natural beauty here is just something you wouldn't really find in Indiana. At least not very often. Especially since, not in this part of Indiana where the glaciers came over and flattened everything. So this is a neat spot. And when I say here in this part of Indiana, when referring to Niches, I mean northwest, nearby West Lafayette, but up in the Purdue area and the surrounding county. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can find here. There are some caves. There's an overlook, and sometimes the caves are actually really warm. Pause.
Just step on him. He's trying to get around.
He's just going about his day. But sometimes foxes den in these caves, so we'll see if we can see anything. Yeah, we'll do some cave exploration. Brought a headlamp and the leader stick featured in our backpacking video. But hopefully there won't be any spider webs to whack away. Anyways, let's see what's out here. I think this is an eastern red cedar. Down there, if you can see it through the trees, is the Wabash River, which plays a role in why this place is so historically significant. Oh, Punisher. Yeah, people like to ruin everything. There's a hornet. Wasp.
Ew. Don't bother it. I'm gonna get stung.
But yeah, if you guys are reading the description right now, this is the spot I'm talking about. Well, of course, you can't simultaneously read the description and watch the video. I guess Sarah's cold.
A little. My friend's wet.
Yeah, that's true.
Maybe that's my chocolate.
And this is the other overlook of historical significance. Much more precipitous of a drop. There's the shimmer of the water. Looks better in person. Alright, you want to go down there?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah. Plants will grow anywhere. No, I definitely agree. There's the first cave. We were just up there. I said we were just up there. Yeah, I'll take the light. We put it on my head. I only have one hand.
Yeah.
I tried to say arm and hand at the same time.
Head, though, so it might be weird.
That's alright. Sweet.
Wait, hold on. Upside down a little in the back.
That's okay.
It'll fall out.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Is it on?
Yeah, fine. It's on.
Is it off now?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's brightest, middle, off.
Gotcha. Spiders. Burns?
Burn. So baby first.
I think so. Oh boy. Not a fan of surprise bugs.
What?
I said I'm not a fan of surprise bugs. Or surprise foxes. Hopefully no foxes in here.
Is the light good?
Yeah, light's fine. Oh Jesus, this goes back farther than I thought it did. Holy fuck. Excuse my language. Oh, that's it. Hopefully you guys can see. Doesn't go back all that far. Yep. Cool. Let's back out. Hi. Huh? Are those poops?
Yeah.
Those look like turds to me.
I know. Something's underneath.
I don't know what it is. Alright, let's go check out the other ones.
There's a fox on the playground at school.
What kind?
I don't know.
Is it red?
Yeah.
Is it orange?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a red fox then. Alright. Turkey vulture. Oh, it just flew over. Alright, this is this is the cave that I saw a red fox retreat into one morning. So I will not be exploring this one. But yeah, there were carcasses of small animals gathered throughout the entrance, and tracks and poop. And it also smelled of death, so I kind of just stuck my head in there to take a quick look, and like this, and yeah. I'd rather not have a close-up, face-to-face encounter with a fox. I don't know about you, Sarah.
Nope.
Ooh, there's something up here. Worth exploring, maybe? Can I have your help? Might not need it. Let's see that camera right. I just wanted a hand free, but I got it. Yeah, I didn't want to really do that.
There's another little cave over here.
Yeah. I'm gonna go to that. And also I want to say that it's not an issue that I'm going off trail on niches properties, because they encourage free exploration of nature. So you don't have to strictly adhere to the trail, but you know, don't try to destroy everything, all the plants. So this is the coolest part of the property. This is called honeycomb rock, obviously, I mean for obvious reasons. Yeah, I never imagined the flat part of Indiana having this. But areas by rivers are typically more topographically variant. Yeah. Ferns are awesome. I imagine at some point, like during an ice age or something, or hell, even before colonization, people would probably set up camp here. because it's an overhang. Nice shelter from the weather. I mean, I don't know if rain, you know, drifts back down this way or not, but this might be an alright spot to sleep and set your fire right here. Keep the saber-toothed cats away. Well, somebody came through and destroyed all this blackberry. And I'm also snagged on it. This is blackberry. Ooh, almost past the cave. There may or may not be foxes in this. Let's find out. And this is as far as I'm going because I see turds back there. I don't really want to crawl over turds. Yeah. Cool stuff. What'd you find?
Forever 21 tag.
Oh, I'll take that out of here.
Being excited. Size small.
Size small. Well, at least they're not fat. That's a problem.
What?
Nothing, I just don't want to offend anyone. Not my intention. Will you film me going into this cave?
Yeah.
I know you don't want to get down and dirty in the cave, so.
I have to say that assuming.
It makes an ass out of you? No. Alright, if it falls asleep, just press the OK button.
Okay. Here he goes.
It's actually a huge cave. Not huge, but huge for here. Come back. This is it.
Come back or
Yeah,
go
come
back?
Come back here. This is everything. Hold it sideways.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Spoilers.
Yeah.
Spooky.
You want to go down to the Wabash and see if we can see a bald eagle? Cool. But yeah, I usually see chipmunks crawl into little holes like these, trying to get away from me. Not like I'm going to do anything to them. They don't know that.
As long as I don't get poison ivy and that you stay with me.
Yeah, I'll stay with you. Yeah. This is one of my favorite spots. I mean, so far, I've only ever been to Cozumel, Mexico, and Cuba, and various states in the U.S., so I still have much of the world to see. over there down that way is an island in the middle of the Wabash called Collier's Island. Actually, let me check my phone. Yeah. Just up there a ways. Alright, well, I'm almost out of batteries, and it's an arduous journey down to the river, so I'm going to turn this off and pick it back up when we're down there. Okay, here we are. Let's see what kind of wildlife we can see. Last time I saw a juvenile bald eagle take off from a tree, and that was pretty neat. Also, guys, let me know, more commentary, less commentary, or keep it about what I'm at now. Just don't know if you guys just want to see what's out here without me talking through it, or if you guys want me to talk more about it, or if you guys are fine with what I'm doing right now. So please let me know. River's low. That up. Whenever I get my fishing license, I'm fishing down here. Oh, there's a turtle. Oh, dang it, he's gone. Over there's where I saw the eagle take off from. Yes, this is the Wabash River. Northwestern Indiana. There's a plastic jug over there I'm gonna have to go get. Sarah decided to stay behind. The hill's really steep. Okay. Let's see if I can jump across this without falling in. Turkey vulture. Yeah, this has been Black Rock Nature Preserve. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you thought the natural beauty was as captivating as it is to me. So, thanks again. Later.